इस्रोन आपले सगळ्यात वजनदार रॉकेट GSLV Mk3D1 सोमारा आंध्र प्रदेशात श्रीहरिकोटा सावन लॉन्च केले। 640 टनाचे रॉकेट 3136 किलो वजनाचो सॅटेलाइट ते अवकाशात वरून बसयतले। मानवी अंतराळ मोहिमेचे दिशेन भारताचे हे एक मोठे पावल। भारताचे स्पेस मिशनाचे पहिलेच फावट गेम चेंजर म्हणून ताची वळख।
0 plus 1 plus 2
S200 ignited,
plus 3
vehicle liftoff.
plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8
normal
plus 9 plus 10
You just heard the announcement, liftoff normal.
before tracking
plus 15 seconds
15 seconds into the flight.
plus 20 seconds
S400
first stage performance normal
GSLV Mark III D1 and GSAT 19 mission. We have been able to successfully put the satellite into the orbit, and I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team which has relentlessly worked over many decades, and for this program from 2002 a great success in the maiden attempt, and now GSLV Mark III has successfully put GSAT 19, which is a next generation satellite with multi-beam, and we will be looking forward to the operation of this satellite.
गोवा चेस असोसिएशनाचो कुडचडेचो आमदार निलेश काब्राल अध्यक्ष म्हणून बिनविरोध वेचून आयला। असोसिएशनाची हालींच वेंचणूक जाली। 2017 ते 21 अशी 4 वर्सां खातीर नवी समिती आसतली। सचिव म्हूण किशोर बांदेकारूच जाल्यार विश्वास पिळर्णकार नवो खजिनदार जाला। गोंयांत बुद्धीबळ घटमूट करपा खातीर मुळाव्या सुविधांचेर लक्ष दितलो म्हूण काब्राल उलयलो।
I welcome my committee, but there are only 3 coaches, which is very less for a state of Goa, and when we have such good names coming out from the state of Goa, we will represent the government to at least have one state coach of a good level in every taluka, so that each one gets promoted well. And as I've already said, that states like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, they have made it compulsory subject of chess in their academics, which gives development of the brain. So this is also, we as association, a new committee, we will take up this matter with the government to have this. And especially we have noticed that there are a lot of like in Kuchera itself, there is SAG grounds, they have halls, but there is nothing dedicatedly a place, 50 or 100 square meter place for teaching youngsters in regular classes. So that is another issue which is there, which is going to be taken up with this government. 12 जागे खंयतरी रेग्युलर क्लासेस घेवपाक मेवता अशें स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्सान करचे अशें विनंती आमी करतले. वी वॉन्ट टू हॅव अ टुर्नामेंट which has not been done in Goa, and it has been only done in the metro cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Calcutta. A Grand Masters tournament will, in the next 4 years, we will be after the government to help us to organize a Grand Masters tournament.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।